Okay guys, this is Unomas again, signing in YouTube. Today I want to show you another tutorial, an Unomas tutorial. Okay guys, but this time is way too different. Okay, the title of my tutorial is Unomas tutorial Google tricks. It's not Yahoo this time, okay? It's a Google trick. Okay, watch very carefully, okay? First, you must copy this link. See, you must copy this link, copy paste it in your browser. Okay guys, now let's start. Let's do this. Come on. First, open your internet browser. Once you copy paste it, you will be on a site like this. See, that's it. You'll be on a site like this, www.darkvideos.html. Okay, watch very carefully. Okay, I'm doing this for your amusement, guys. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's wait. Okay, start. Let's do this. A ghost trick. Okay, watch very carefully. Okay, this is a 3 square, this is a star circle. Okay, 3 square, star circle, 3 square, star circle. On the Ouija board are 4 rows of symbols, 3 square and a star circle. Please choose any 3 square and place a finger upon it. Place your finger, okay? Click the campfire when you are ready to proceed. Okay, I will point a finger which I will choose 3 square and a star circle. Okay, I will choose a 3 square. I'm choosing this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm choosing this one. 1, 2, 3. Now, click the campfire to proceed. See? Now the instruction, read the instruction. Now kindly move your finger left to right to the nearest star circle. Okay? I'm choosing this one. And the nearest star circle to it is this one, the red one. So I will move my finger left to right. Okay guys, follow. Move it left to right. Okay, assuming this is my finger, the arrow. Okay, the mouse, assuming this is my finger, but actually I'm pointing on it on my finger. Okay. Okay, now click on the campfire to proceed. Now please move your finger up and down to the nearest 3 square. Okay, as you already know, I choose this one as my 3 square. And the nearest to the nearest, click the count, okay, up and down, and the nearest and this is my 3 square. Okay, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm pointing my finger on it. Okay, up and down, 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 up and down. Kick the front fire. Now move diagonally to the nearest star circle. Click the campfire to the 3. So this is my 3 square, and the nearest star circle is this. So I will move my finger diagonally. Wait, I will move first my finger. So now follow the mouse. I'm moving my finger this way. See, diagonally. Okay, my 3 square is this. Okay, click on the campfire. Lastly, please move either right or down the nearest 3 square. Please click the campfire. Okay. Right or down. Okay, I will choose down. Here. Down. 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 I'm pointing my mouse on it. Okay. Now. See? How did he know? They knew. I like this trick. Okay, guys, this is a simple and fast, easy tutorial. A Google tricks. I hope you like it. Goodbye, guys. Love you, YouTube.